runner-up with cash prize of 500 paanga goes to Miss Langakali Vaikopuna, Primrose Malekamu.
Island Creation, Kotolu.
First runner-up goes to Miss Vila Isidora Melelupevete. And the winner with cash prize 1,000 paanga of the Island Creation goes to Mr. Proxys Tonga, New Zealand, Carlo Lokotui Funganikau. Yeah. Thank you, ladies. Moving on to the sarong competition, the second runner-up with cash prize of 200 paanga. Please put your hands together for Miss Vila Isidora, Miss Melelupevete. The first runner-up for sarong competition with cash prize of 350 paanga, Miss Fangai Lupe, Tonga, Australia. Luciane Akaola. And the winner of the sarong competition 2018-19 cash prize of 500 paanga, Mr. Proxys Tonga, New Zealand, Carlo Lokotui Funganikau. Kataki fraha akipe fia paspasi na fekau security ke takko kitua. Koe feawi taleniti, talent competition, second runner-up, Miss Vila Isidora Melelupevete. First runner-up, Miss SNS USA Store, Miss Eileen Vakalahi. And the winner of the talent competition 2018-19 with a cash prize of 1,000 paanga, Mr. Proxys Tonga, New Zealand, Carlo Lokotui Funganikau. Before we move on, ladies and gentlemen, all the ladies who took part in this year's Miss Heilala receive a consolation prize of 500 paanga each. I'd like to call upon the Deputy Prime Minister to please hand this out. Miss Ewa Maoitai Fonte. Miss Brilliant Star, Naomi Potofili. Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Cecilia Lamu. Miss Ha'ano Manmaake. Miss Fangai Lupe, Tonga, Australia, Luciane Akaola. Miss Havelu Rugby, Tensia Fawesa Po'oi. Miss SNS USA Store, Eileen Vakalahi. Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia, Mele Lotomu Asetaita, Tukia. Mr. Proxys, New Zealand, Lilieta Imakweta Fisihoy. Miss Bose Fashion, Luana Susana Fifita. Miss Vila Isidora Melelupevete. Miss Tonga Tourism, Ane Ofapolo. Miss Langakari Evaiko Puna, Primrose Malekamo. And Miss Aproxis and Miss Whale Watching. Ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the main prizes for this evening and what we've all been waiting for. The fourth runner-up for Miss Heilala 2018-2019 with cash prize of 1,000 paanga. This goes to Miss Aproxis New Zealand, Lilieta Imakweta Fisihoy.
Koe tolu ia I he whiauhi, Miss Aproxis.
The third runner-up with cash prize of 1,500 paanga. This is awarded to Miss Langakali Vaikopuna, Primrose Malekamu.
Miss Langakari Vaikopuna.
The second runner-up for Miss Heilala 2018-2019 with cash prize of 2,000 paanga goes to Miss SNS USA Store, Aileen Vakalahi.
Koe waia, Miss SNS. Store, Arini Vakalahi, koe waia. Patau whakaongongo ai ke whinemui tenei kuna ai wanoa tāwalo wanoa tahiwa.
Sarote.
Rini.
Sarote ke ukima mau atu koe hoha me heni.
Moving on with the prizes for this evening. The first runner-up with a cash prize of 3,000 paanga. This is awarded to Miss Vila Isadora Melelupe Vete. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, the moment we've been waiting for, the crown, Miss Heilala 2018-2019. Goes to Miss Aproxis Tonga New Zealand, Carlo Lokotui Punganitao.
Mong aune beke mong aune.
Ladies, ladies and gentlemen, may I now call the Miss Haylala 2018-19 to please lead the girls up on stage again. If you could take your last walk on stage. Carlo, girls, can you guys follow Carlo and take the walk? Carlo, you go.
Ko e a whangatuku ia o e whakariare e ka whine mui ko e Miss Haylala. Pak mahino pe ia o ku i kuna ia e Miss Aproxis Tonga New Zealand Galo Fungani Tao. I he loro tongani na o whakariare mai e Funga Stacy. Kai e te whalaoloa mahino pe kwa e taunga he polo kalama. Ka mo os mea e mai pe talo me he ngahi aho ko mari watu ai whakariare e Miss koe ni mo ke nā dolo ko toa pe o kuna wei pa ko e ngawe lahi ko e ngawe ka ko e whatongia mamafa ka mau whamaro lahi ke ngau ka whaka business ko toa pe mahino malaba ke tau whanongoa ho nau te unga a ngai whareare nau whai ko e whiapini nau whareare e whunga whai Stacy tambe nau lulu hero penga was mahino i kuna ia Whabalo foki ke toko ni ekpalenia de o kumau pipia e holofo manatu ka kumau tatau ato ai pe mahino pe ko ikuna ia wano atahabalu wano atahiba Miss Aproxis New Zealand matatau ato ai pe me holofo manatu o Gonzalo te Merin Kupo ko akinenta lufe matatau ato to afat
As the ladies are making their way back, can I please call the in-country manager for Fiji Airways, Miss Lovely Maka, can you please make your way on stage and give out the prizes for Fiji Airways? The prizes that were awarded were also given with tickets, compliments of Fiji Airways, who was, of course, one of our major sponsors for Haylala 2018-2019. Inviting the in-country manager for Fiji Airways, Mrs. Lovely Maka, to come and present these awards.
Salote, kauki mama watu. O kuase ni koe elite sponsorship koe tahamano. Peko Fiji Airways o fika ulu aki. Koe pare kuna ufo aki. Koe Miss Haylala ia. Oi taun. Do atu angia he tahamano kono kuase ni.
There's four, right? San Francisco.
This is San Francisco, Australia,
So,
Auckland, and
a special prize for the winner of Miss Haylala 2018, Mr. Proxis Tonga, New Zealand. Kalo loko tui whangantau, can I call on you? You have won 2 round-trip economy class air tickets to San Francisco from Tonga, flying Fiji Airways. The second runner-up receives a return ticket for 2 to Auckland from Tonga, flying Fiji Airways, and this goes to Miss SNS USA store. Thank you very much, lovely. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of the formalities this evening. DJ, play us a song already, and may you all have a safe journey home. Malo opito.
Wa malo Charlotte, lovely. Ko fei e puna mo fuai ave feke mo a mo e ka masima. Take it away!
It's summertime.